If you're thinking about moving to Panama City, Florida, or you're already here and just haven't explored every corner of the city yet, I want to show you one of those places that doesn't make the tourist brochures, but absolutely should. Today, we're talking about Sudduth Park, tucked right in the heart of the Cove neighborhood. And if you stick around, you'll also get a feel for why the Cove is one of the most talked about areas in all of Bay County. I'm Michele, a realtor here in Panama City, a military spouse, and I've called Bay County home across 3 tours at Tyndall Air Force Base. This channel is about showing you the real Panama City, the neighborhoods, the parks, the community spots that make people glad they chose to live here. And Sudduth Park is a perfect example of that. Here's something most people don't know. Sudduth Park has been part of Panama City since the 1950s, when the city received the land as a gift from the Sudduth family. That's not a city project. That's a family who loved this community and chose to give back.
The Sudduth family donated the property in 1954, and for decades, it was the neighborhood's gathering spot. Kids playing Little League, families on the bleachers, the kind of Saturday mornings that become memories. Then Hurricane Michael came through in 2018, and like so much of Panama City, the park took a major hit. Fences were torn down, bleachers were destroyed, and everything was affected. But this community doesn't quit.
The city received $1.3 million from insurance and FEMA to restore the park. And what came out of that investment is genuinely impressive. The improvements include a new baseball field, new dugouts, a refurbished concession stand, new site utilities, a drainage system, updated parking, a pavilion, picnic tables, and park benches. Playground equipment has since been added as well. The hurricane gave the city the opportunity to rebuild the park better than it ever was before. And that's exactly what happened. When the ribbon was cut in late 2022, a member of the Sudduth family was there to celebrate. And honestly, that moment says everything about what this park means to the community. This is a place where youth baseball is back. Families are showing up, and that sense of neighborhood connection, the kind you actually feel is alive and well. Now let me give you some context about where Sudduth Park sits, because the location is a big part of the story. The Cove is a historic waterfront neighborhood in Panama City, positioned along St. Andrews Bay near the downtown district. It's known for its historic homes, bay views, and mature tree-lined streets, and buyers are consistently drawn to it for those exact reasons. Originally developed in the early 20th century, the Cove features a mix of restored historic residences and updated coastal homes, many on spacious lots with mature landscaping and select homes with direct bay frontage. This is a neighborhood with character. It's not cookie cutter. It's the kind of place where you actually know your neighbors, kids play outside, and there's still a real sense of community, something that's harder and harder to find. And Sudduth Park is genuinely the heartbeat of that. The Cove also has close proximity to downtown Panama City's dining, arena, and arts venues. So you get that walkable, connected lifestyle without sacrificing the quiet, residential feel. Whether you're a family relocating here, maybe PCS-ing to Tyndall Air Force Base, or you're a retiree looking for a neighborhood with roots and character, or you're a buyer just getting to know Panama City for the first time. The Cove and areas like it are worth a serious look. Parks like Sudduth tell you something about a neighborhood. They tell you that people invest here, that families stay here, that this isn't just a place to live, it's a place to belong. If you want to know more about living in Panama City, neighborhoods, schools, the market, what different areas actually feel like day to day, that's exactly what this channel is for. I make videos for people making real decisions. Drop your questions in the comments, subscribe so you don't miss the next neighborhood tour. And if you're ready to start a real conversation about buying or selling in Bay County, you can book a free call with me directly at shesells850.com. Link is in the description. I'm Michele Monastra with Epic Realty, and I'll see you in the next one.